guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeel. In this video, I'll be creating this bronze smoky eye and nude lip makeup look which turned out to be really good. I've used some of my all-time favorite products to create this look. Also some products that came in my Fab bag. If you don't know about Fab bag is a beauty subscription service that you can subscribe to, and you'll get such a bag with some beauty essentials that you can try every month. If you want to know more about them, I'll leave a link down in the description box. Also a coupon code if you want to avail 10% off if you consider subscribing to them. And I got two products from Sugar in this month's bag. Sugar is one of my favorite Indian drugstore brands, and I've used two products from them and I've created this makeup look. If you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching.